listening?
Hi Flash, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you too?
I'm doing good too. So let's test your math today, okay?
Okay.
What?
That's a great idea.
Okay. What is 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1 is 2.
What is 2 plus 5?
2 plus 5 is 7.
What is 4 plus 6?
6 on the mind, 4 on the fingers, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is this one.
Good job! Now one more difficult question. What is 8 plus 5?
8 on the mind, 5 on the fingers, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Wow! Flash knows his math very well. Great job!